Hey riders, quick video to explain how our training expeditions work. So I'm Eric Lang with Ride Adventures. My fellow guides and I, we've been guiding and riding motorcycle trips around the world for a long time now. We've noticed in the past couple of years through the YouTube channel and our website, a lot of you are requesting training services because, well, honestly, sometimes it's not easy to find another crew to ride with, people that want to do the kinds of riding or go the kinds of places that you want to go. And so we designed these training expeditions to be kind of like motorcycle tours where we are, going from point A to point B. But instead of long days that are really just riding and blazing through each section, we're going to have predetermined spots where we're going to stop in the morning, for example, and work on a specific skill set to enhance your ability to get through sand sections, to get through deep sand, to get through mud, to do rock climbs, to do hill climbs, descents, ascents, off cambers, all the different types of things that ultimately you can come across on an adventure ride. Instead of just getting through them once, we're going to circle back through them and work on each spot over and over and over. And I'm a firm believer that it's that kind of practice, it's that repetition, just like any athlete might tell you, it's repetition and practice that is going to really enhance your skill set for those types of land features. So you're riding and we're out and we're having fun. We're also working on things like how to pack your bags and your luggage and your bike. You've got experienced guides out here with you, so you're going to learn about setting up your bike and all different things that go into being self-sufficient and out there on your own eventually, if that's your wish. But again, we're giving you a crew to ride with, experienced guides and people that are going to show you and teach you all the different things that go into, what happens when your weight is a little further forward on your bike versus back, or when you're putting weight on this peg versus that, when you're going through a berm. It's all the different things that you can do on a bike to really make the experience of getting through it easier and make sure that you get through, of course, in the upright position. So be sure to check our website for when these training expeditions are available. If you're looking into this, you're already a rider. You know how to ride, but you're wanting to take your skill set to the next level. And repetition and training and practice like this through our coaches is going to get you there. So thanks for watching, everyone. Ride on. We'll see you soon.
Rider ready?
We'll see you. Yes.
Action.
I can't go until everyone's done laughing at me.